Maths word problem about age, calculation of age. The age of a father is 4 times the age of his son. After 20 years, the age of a father is twice of his son. Then what is the age of a father and his son? To solve, to answer this, solution. Let the age of a father is the age of a father is X. Let the age of his son is Y. The age of, that means the present age of a father is X, the present age of his son is Y. Then let us change the word problem into mathematical or maths equations. The age of a father is 4 times the age of his son means, by using X and Y. So from this we get the age of a father is X is 4 times the age of his son means, we can put like this. So we have got one question. The second equation, since the present age is X and the present age of father is X, the present age of his son is Y. So after 20 years, since the present age is X, after 20 years, the age of a father is, the age of a father will be X plus what? 20. Similarly, the age of his son is also Y plus 20. But the question says, after 20 years, the age of a father is 2 Y's of the age of his son. The age of his son after 20 years is Y plus 20. So in this case, we have got another question. Now combine these two questions. So from this, X plus 20 is equal to 2Y plus 40. This implies X minus 2Y is equal to, we can shift 2Y to the left, is equal to 40. When we shift this to the right, it can be minus. This implies X minus 2Y is equal to what? 20. Now, we have got two questions. One question says what? X minus 4Y is equal to 0 from the first equation. So from the second equation, X minus 2Y is equal to 20. Now, these two equations, we call it simultaneous equation. So in order to solve this, let us eliminate the variable x. Simply eliminating the variable x is simple. So subtraction, we can use minus. Look. So x minus x is 0. Negative 4y minus 2y is plus 2y. 0 plus negative 4y minus 2y is, negative 2y. 0 minus 20 is minus 20. So from this, negative 2y is equal to negative 20. This implies dividing by 2 on both sides, divided by 2. So we can get y is equal to negative, y is equal to, so negative by negative is cancelled. Y is equal to 10. That means y means what? The present age of his son. This is the age of his son is 10. This is the age of his son. Then x is equal to the age of a father is 4y. So substitute 10 in place of y, so x is equal to 4 times 10, which is equal to 40. This is the age of a father. Thank you.